All right, here we are draining the oil. Looks pretty bad. I have to do a flush on that, get that purged. The engine's running great now. Now I have to rewire the whole boat. I took all the panels out so far, kind of labeling everything. Put the new gauges in. I gotta polish this up here, make it look better. Gotta replace all this. Gotta change all these out. Gotta take this bolt out here. It's corroded, so I have to drill out the screw there. Had to do the same here. Some of these were corroded in, as you can tell. So I was able to keep most of them intact. Put a new plastic board here, cover this up, and then the fun part, rewiring all this here. So then I have to come back, wire the bilge pumps and all the pumps, wash down jets, speakers. Yeah, everything got pretty fried. So the engine's running great though now, and it's just a matter of checking the lower unit as well for that oil.